Hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina. I hope your day's going well so far because we're back shopping at HomeGoods. And if you love shopping at HomeGoods, definitely hit that subscribe button and join us. Halloween has definitely taken over the store. And if you are looking for some spooky seating, definitely check this out. The spider web. This is so cool. You see the webs on the side. It's $130, but sadly there's no cushion included. So you would definitely have to find a special cushion, or maybe you can make it yourself. That is up to you. And then right here, this wall decor. So we have the mirrors with the bats. Those are a good size. Those are about 15 inches tall. Now it's $60 for the set of two. Oh, I love them. I'm not sure where I would put those at my home, but those are gorgeous. And then this wreath. Now this wreath definitely indoors because we have velvet. We have these beautiful beads. So I'm not sure how they would do outside, but those are really pretty. And then we have the metal bats over here. Those are pretty cool because I know I purchased some, and the bats, usually paper or plastic. And then we have our hipster ghost. How adorable. So this is $70. I mean, it's a good size, over 3 feet tall. We have the headphones, we have the beanie and the coffee. And then right next to it, I like this tree. You definitely want to fluff it out. And that one is $30 and it lights up. And this is gorgeous. This is super gorgeous. $30. Oh, I like it. I just don't really have a place for it, but that is just so pretty. And you can see it lights up as well. Oh, that's like spooky beautiful. And then how cute is this for the kitchen for $17? Oh, this is so adorable. Or even if you have like a cart and have like the fun Halloween kitchen items. Yeah, that's really cute. There are so many items here. And it really depends on, what type of decor. Do you like spooky? Do you like, I call it like spooky glamour. Now we have, of course, our branches light up, but it looks like there's several options. We can see the orange, $20. And I love that these are really popular this year. We have, of course, our artwork, more houses. Ooh, that one lights up as well. That is so cute. We have our bear. We have our kitties. Now the house is $25. Of course, it's not always easy to check all the pricing. Sometimes HomeGoods will have a very inconvenient underneath. And then check out these pieces. Oh, these are adorable. Different spooky characters, but not so spooky. I mean, the ghost, walking his little monster with his coffee for $13. And then the canisters. Okay, these are adorable. Oh, look at all the different options. Oh, the kitty ghost. Okay, that one was $15. And then we have like Winnie the Pooh. We have Snoopy. Oh, I love this variety of fun characters. And this is a creator I follow on Instagram. I followed her for a couple of years and she's just so adorable, so creative. And it's really exciting to see someone, they come out with their own line of ceramics and to see it physically in the store. Like this mug set with the topper for $10. And then there's another one with a teapot. We saw that last time we were here and I didn't realize it was her line. So this is very exciting. And we have some really just beautiful Halloween and fall pieces. Now this is from Blue Sky. Those are beautiful, but you definitely want to be careful with them. So yeah, those are about $25 each. And the prices will vary. I really wish they placed it on top. I mean, look how cute this candy bowl is. They have several of them. The pumpkin with our bear. Okay, I'm going to lift this up. $25. Now, these are cute. These are the peanut ceramic bowls for $13 for a set of 3. Oh, those are fun. Lots of pumpkin items. I mean, they're just so much to look at. So definitely take your time. $17 for that bowl. And the mugs, there are so many mugs. If you're looking for some for yourself or for gifts. And look at the eye with the feet. Oh, that is quite interesting. Blue sky for $30. And then our Hello Kitty, that one is $13. It's a cute mug, but really hard to drink out of. Now, I bought several of these. Well, I bought 2 of them actually earlier this year, and I was kind of hoping to have a third one. $6. Well, I'm definitely picking it up. They're great. And how gorgeous is this basket? Oh, I am loving this. I'm definitely going to grab this. $10, that's it? Oh, that is so pretty. I would almost have that up all year round, but I'm definitely going to pick that up. And then look at this bowl with the gold bats. Ooh, those are metal too. How much is this bowl? $25. And if you're a fan of Nightmare Before Christmas, so many pieces. We have our noodle bowl set. And that one is $13. I like the texture. And then our soup bowls. Oh, this is cute. So 2 of them for $13. So we have some really fun pieces. And then our salt and pepper shakers. Of course, I always love the vintage. That is $10. See, that's not a bad price. And these mugs are super cute. Yeah, those are Joanna Parker, $13. They're really cute for decorations, but hard to drink out of. Now, I did pick up a couple of these last time I was here, and that was $7 for the set. If you're a fan of Chucky, that one is $10. Oh, this is cute. It's a little container. And that one is $13. And if you're looking for some measuring cups, I like the handle, $13, but it's only on the big one, the 1 cup. And then we have our fall mugs. You know, maybe you don't want something spooky, but something fall. The Hello Pumpkin for $6. And then we even have from Ray Dunn, we have football season with the peanuts. And we have several options. And those are $8 each. And these baskets are really cute. So some areas get packed, so I kind of hop around the store. But that was light enough, $20. And then how cute is the ghost? That one is $17. Now these are the melamine plates, but these are gorgeous. It's a set of 4 for $10. Now here's another set as well. And then we have the smaller plates. So 4 of them for $8. They're almost too small. I would love them to be just a little larger in size. But see, these are just gorgeous. But once you have food on them, you really don't get to see, you know, the pretty picture. I really like the trim. And that was $7. Again, those were the melamine. And just so many great options. We have like the house. Ooh, that big platter back there. The bowls. Oh, there are some cute items. So if you're having any gatherings, if you're hosting anything, I mean, there are some really adorable pieces. And look underneath too. Now, these are ceramic. And I like the striped napkins. Oh, I may pick those up. But check out these plates. There's so many different pieces. And I'm trying to carefully reach over. Okay, this is a set of 4 and for $13, and those are ceramic. Oh, those are fun. I'm not sure if the same photos on every plate. We have our mini teapot set for $13. And then I turned around, I found more Halloween mugs. And there's some really good ones. And I think they're priced pretty good too. See, I like this picture. We have the raven on the pumpkin, but see that top with that scallop edge is so pretty for $20. And then we have another one with skeletons. We have some witches down here. So yeah, look at these. Oh, this would match the basket I got, $6. But see, I'm really nervous about the raven. Like that would break off so easy. Oh, see, there's already a chip. But the canister is gorgeous. I mean, these are so pretty. I have a dear friend who would love this set as well. $13. I'm going to send some photos to her. And I'm always taking photos in the store, sending them to friends. Oh, these little ghost mugs. Oh, the espresso cups. Oh, that is fun. Oh, I like those. 4 different ones. Those are $13. But see, this 2-tier. I wish the roses were a little smaller. But this is such a gorgeous set. And the ghosts are just so cute. And there are just so many. Oh, here's a better view. But you can see the roses. That's just so pretty. And I didn't want to lift that one up. Now these ceramic bowls. Oh, see, there's a chip already. $8. So definitely kind of look over some of these pieces. Fun salt and pepper shaker. Now that one is $15. That's for Blue Sky. Okay, I can see why those cost more. But the vintage inspired items. Oh, these are cute. We have our Halloween theme, our Halloween colors on the trim. $15, a fun little tray. Oh, this bowl with the bats on the inside. And of course, I had to check out the tablecloths. Spooky dining. Oh, I like the little cat right there. Oh, that is super cute. I like the edge too, the trim. See, this is 60 by 84. I need 60 by 104. And it looks like they do carry it. But is it here at HomeGoods? That is the question. I'll keep looking, but see, there's so many pretty tablecloths and just cute, spooky, perfect for this time of year. I mean, look how beautiful this one is. And that was round for $17. Oh, they also had a round one as well. And then sprinkles. I always pick these up every year for $4. So those are fun. My daughter loves those. More salt and pepper shakers, butter dishes, ramekins. Oh, these are really fun. We got the skeletons. We got ghosts and spiders and bats. So $7 for a set of 4. Oh, this one's really cute too. The vintage kitty for $8. Oh, that's a good price. And then this is really interesting. That is Joanna Parker as well. It's a candy dish for $30. And if you're looking for some fall like kitchen towels, they have such a great selection. To kind of go through them. Just take your time. They have some Halloween. I know we saw some Halloween last time. There's so many Halloween kitchen towels too. So these are always so fun to look at. Or your dish drying set. So it's a set of 2. The mats, only $10. And there is like Halloween throughout the store. I love that pumpkin. The pumpkin's gorgeous. And that one is $15. And then even our cleaning sponges from Scrub Mommy. We have our Halloween. This is a set of 3. And those are cute for $8. And then even the shower curtains. That one is $20. And they have a good selection. I would say they have about almost 10 different ones. And then for your bathroom, see, I'm looking for a spider web like this. It's $20. I found one on Amazon because I want one like the half circle. I need a smaller one, but those are really soft. So the spider web, we have the pumpkin, and those are all the same price of $20. So definitely look through these. Yeah, I really like the spider web. I just wish it was a little smaller. And the ghost, so many ghosts this year. I mean, these are not little, $50. I mean, those are just so fun, but they are so big. I mean, seriously, like that one on the floor, that's about 3 feet high. And I mean, there's so many different sizes. And you can see, yeah, they're kind of pricey. That one on top was about $150. Oh, even this one is super cute. Oh, there are some really cute pieces. So what would you place on top? Like a plant or just leave it that way? Would you have it outside? See, this one's cute. This one's obvious. You could have candy on the inside. But you know, the price is underneath of it, and they're too big to really lift up. So that was like $80. But yeah, there are some really big pieces this year. And then the napkins. See, I always love having these cocktail napkins. Fun ones. Oh, I like this one with the scallop edge for $4. So I'm definitely going to throw that in the cart. Oh, that one's cute too. That one is $10. This is a set of two. Ooh, this one's vintage, $4. And these artwork pieces have been definitely trending this year. But I like them. It's kind of fun to change out some of your artwork in your home. And like we have pieces for $15, $13. I love the kitty with the hat. I tried to take photos with my Pepper with the little hat. She just was not having it. And this one's really pretty with the gold frame for only $13. So definitely check those out. Everyone, thank you so much again for coming along to HomeGoods with me today. Thank you for your time and for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.